Hello everyone, this is Yogita and you're watching your own channel English Finishing School. So guys, आज के इस वीडियो में हम डिस्कस करेंगे एक नया क्यू कार्ड in the latest क्यू कार्ड series. Describe a bicycle or motorcycle or car trip you would like to go on. So before we proceed with the discussion of this cue card, do not forget to subscribe our channel and also press the bell icon so that you get all the updates about our upcoming videos. So let's get started without any delay. Describe a bicycle or motorcycle or car trip you would like to go on. First cue is where you would like to go. Second, who would you like to go with? When would you like to go? Of course, explain why you would like to go by a bicycle or a motorcycle or a car. So discuss करते हैं ये cue card with some journal ideas because it is very important to develop the journal idea in that 1 minute of crucial time which we get so that we can speak on it at a stretch for 2 minutes. So some journal statements like most of us often like to take a break, of course, from our monotonous lifestyle. Monotonous means boring. तो हमें अपनी बोरिंग लाइफस्टाइल से ब्रेक लेना एक बहुत अच्छा लगता है. And go for a trip for leisure, pleasure and adventure. Some people are quite adventurous and they follow various modes of travel according to their own taste and preference to go for a trip. I have undertaken many trips in my life, but here I would like to talk about a bicycle trip which I want to go for with my best friend, as I believe that one can enjoy the beautiful nature in the best way on a bicycle. So here, of course, I would be talking about a bicycle trip. So let us learn some vocabulary words which we can use to develop this cue card. The first cue is where you would like to go on. So you probably can be going on beaches of Goa, a hilly area, nearby countryside, or else in a zoological park in the town, or outskirts of your town somewhere, some kind of a garden or a park is there, so you can probably go there as well. Then of course, when you would like to go, you can say next month as I'll be free from my exams, or as during my autumn break as the weather is quite favorable and pleasant during that time. And then you can also talk about that it has been my fascination to go for such a trip because I had been very desperate to go for a bicycle ride with my friend. And of course, you want to have autonomy. Autonomy is freedom. You want to have freedom and you want to feel free like a bird, and you are merely going there for a pleasure and so that you can feel yourself at your best. Then you can also say that I want to take a bicycle trip because I can go by my own pace, which means speed, and I can also feel the natural wind blowing on my face because once you are in a car, you are on an enclosed surface. And again, when you're on a motorbike, again, you have to at least, even a moderate speed will not help you to enjoy that natural wind blowing on your face. So that is how the bicycle trip is often more exciting than other trips. If we compare it with conventional means of travel like car, bike, a bicycle trip is full of thrill, it surprises and friendly interactions on the way. Of course, if you meet people on the way, you can stop your bicycle and talk to them, some acquaintances and maybe some strangers. So you can have friendly interactions even with the people with whom you are going, right? And then you're quite passionate about this and you want to travel different pockets of the city. You want to explore unseen places, of course, and there are no bars of getting stuck in traffic or barricades when you are on a bicycle. So now, without any delay, let's proceed to the model answer, which is the best part of this video, and I all want you not to miss that. Most of us often like to take a break from our monotonous lifestyle and go for a trip for pleasure, leisure and adventure. However, some people are quite adventurous. They follow various modes of travel according to their own taste and preference to go for a trip. I have undertaken many trips in my life, but here I would like to talk about a bicycle trip which I want to go for with my best friend, as I believe that one can enjoy the beautiful nature in the best way on a bicycle. My best friend Renu and I have already decided and worked out to go for a bicycle trip after we get free from our ongoing exams. Probably next month, during our autumn break, we would like to go for this trip on any particular day as the weather will be quite favorable and pleasant during that time. We have already new geared bicycles for the purpose as promised by our parents. Going for such a trip had been my fascination for a long time, and I am glad that soon I'll be able to experience that in reality. We wish to travel to the different pockets of the city and explore new and unknown places and also enjoy the nearby countryside during this trip. I have particularly chosen bicycle trip over other conventional modes of transport because nature feels more refreshing and stimulating on a bicycle. Moreover, I can go on my own pace without having any hassles of heavy traffic jams and barricades. Also, it is coupled with thrill and adventure. One can even have friendly interactions with people on the way. At last, I want to say that I wish to go merely for pleasure and the best leisure time with my best friend, to have an autonomy, to feel free like a bird without any restrictions and obstructions of day-to-day life. I want to make every moment of this trip the best, so I'm waiting for that day excitedly. So that's all about my bicycle trip which I would like to go on, and probably you are a kind of person who enjoys bike riding or else a long driving by car. So talk about that adventurous experience which you would like to take upon in your life going for this trip. So that's all about this cue card, and hope you enjoyed and learned a lot about this cue card. So to stay tuned with us and to get more of such valuable videos, subscribe our channel and also press the bell icon to get all the updates about our upcoming videos. Bye bye.